Good evening sa lahat. Ayan, my dinner for tonight. Ayan siya guys. Salad. May nilagang itlog. May kamatis. May carrots. May spring onion. Tsaka may macarona. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Kain tayo. Hi guys, good evening. Ayan siya guys. My dinner for tonight. Kain tayo guys. Naghapunan na ba kayong lahat? Itlog.